sometimes whenever we are very frustrated, we can't. Suppose he is like we can see Prime Minister. Many people they abuse. Why? They can't read from him. That's why they abuse because it's their anger.
You are saying that by abusing your anger will be controlled. It is not a right way. Means you, if the person is insulting you or abashing you, this is not the right way to abuse them. Means you are going, people they are abusing of the mother, like your mother is that, your sister is that. These all the things are happening. Means the abusive words which you are talking about, the person that is also going to their mother and sister.
I had told her that you should not abuse directly mother to parents at all. You can abuse directly that person. And
Then why should we abuse them? Why should we abuse?
Because friend person deserve.
You are talking about insulting. If a friend person insults you, that means.
As they guys have talked about situation and problem, if I talk about these changes, what do they do? Either they are happy, either they are bad. They try to use abusable words in everything. Second by second they use, but they have said the sentence, then they are gonna say abuse. They have said that sentence, then they are gonna say that abuse word. Is this good?
Okay, right now you can see the condition. I can have an example that you can see right now India is very corrupted. And if they abuse, if you go any office for they ask for money, so they deserve abuse.
As you have talked about India, first of all, everywhere is corruption, bro. Every country is corrupted. If you are including this word, it's not the way to do debate. First of all, if you guys are talking about instead of abusing their parents, you should abuse that person. Will he feel good? Will you feel good after abusing him? If you say there is no any way you will feel so good after abusing that person,
Okay, so
there are so many ways. You can do meditation. You can go from that place. You can be quiet there. But
Okay,
you will
so
never abuse to that person.
Listen to me, you have mentioned about you can do meditation at all. If here is a person who is talking about riprap about, so are you going to do meditation
Come
or
again?
you will abuse?
Come again?
If here is a person you are fighting with him or her, so obviously you will abuse, not you will stand and do meditation at all.
You know, we cannot clap by one hand. If there are two hands, you can clap. So if you have said something and he has said something, then fight is gonna be okay. Then like
Okay, as I mentioned about this one point, do you know, suppose both of us and we are fighting, you are saying this anything and I am saying you, but
Yeah.
meanwhile as you a little bit I mentioned from your team that we can slap at all. The thing is that if you are abusing, so front person who is looking at you will think that if you have slapped directly,
I do not think that my partner,
abusing at all.
I do not agree with that point which my partner has given, but do I think I have talked about that? If you think that abusing is very good thing, it's very bad thing. Whatever you have said that person, you will become bad in his eye. You will become bad in your eye as well.
Okay, so everyone mentioned about that bad at all. Each person is bad.
Of course.
The thing is that some people they show and some people they do not show. The thing is that.
So while abusing, you will think that you are looking so cool, good. You look so full, man.
Okay, okay, you have mentioned about fool at all. It is better than abusing that you are listening front person anything you saying.
So go from there. Then go from there.
You show that person that I can't do.
You are wasting your time in front of that person. You are listening. Just go from there. Do not waste your
I
time.
do need to go if front person abusing, so obviously I will abuse.
If everybody is going to jump in the well, will you go?
Okay, listen to me. You have mentioned about why you should go there from there and all. I'm not a what do you know?
You are not weak, okay. If he the person he abuses her, then she'll abuse and she'll think, oh, I'm so good, I'm so powerful. And next day he come to you, he'll kill you, man. What will you do?
Okay, he is gonna kill you before. So I'm gonna kill him at 12 o'clock.
Oh, will you? He has abused that person and she knows that he'll come, then I will go first.
So listen to me. If he abused me and I also have abused, I will have anger. So I'm gonna show I'm gonna kill. The thing is that try to understand.
While abusing each other, this is not a solution. This is not a solution. Have you seen the school girl? Whenever they go, as you have talked about, okay, you have anger. In anger, you may abuse. But what about the nowadays generation? Everybody abuses in every sense. Either they are happy, they are in happy situation, they are talking to their friends, they abuse. Or you know what? That abuse. Or you know what? Abuse. Is this good?
Okay, listen. You have mentioned about views or rubbish thing. The thing is that
Rubbish. This is the reality.
Listen to me. I know it's reality, but the thing is that we are talking about that we should abuse. It's not compulsory that here are your parent, teacher, and you are gonna abuse. So
What did I say?
listen.
Yeah.
You can't abuse everywhere.
Yeah. So
the
then
thing is that
you
you
cannot abuse everywhere, then you should abuse.
Pratiksha.
Okay, as you said that you can't abuse in front of your parents and sisters. So it is good thing. So why you can't say in front of everyone? This is not good thing. That's why you are not saying it in front of your parents.
Okay, as I mentioned about these all things that why don't you abuse at all. So the thing is that you are talking about these all things. If here are your friends, so you can abuse only in your friend. Everyone knows
But
it.
if
But you can't abuse. Okay, listen. Here are some talents like belly dance. It is a talent as well as. But you can't show in front of your parents at all. Am I right? Because
Yeah.
it is a different thing. Everything is not. But everything we can't show in front of everyone.
This is a different thing, but I'm talking about that. If this is not good thing, so why will you why will you say that in front of everyone? If it is good, so why are you not saying this to everyone in classes? Why are you not saying in front of your parents? Why are you not saying this? Because this is not good thing.
Okay, now listen to me. You have mentioned about these all things like abuse and all. The thing is that abuse is bad where we abuse in unnecessary.
Abuse. The thing is that abuse is bad. Abuse is bad, but abuse is still it is bad.
So as you talked about the parents that can you abuse in front of your parents? So yes, do you know whenever like our
So
parents
they are rubbish.
listen. Whenever our parents talk and someone else is talking rubbish, so our parents they also start abusing. What about that? That's why.
So that's why we need to say that abuse is not good. If your parents is saying, then you will sit and in front of everyone you will say, you will show that I am not that kind of person. I am not. You will misbehave. You will show I am misbehave type of person. But you can't show that I am good person.
Do you know abusing is better than fighting? Just like you know, suppose if a person listen. If a person is like he want to fight with you, but suddenly you like abuse him very badly, then he said, okay, no problem, bro. Now we will not fight. In abusing, they solve their matter. When they fight, so they also get like so much pain and they also get so much injuries. But when they abuse, so nothing happens and so.
Oh my God! First of all, because of abuse, fight starts. Remember it. And one thing, because of nothing.
Because of abuse, fight starts, and because of abuse, fight's over.
Oh my God! Because of fight start, and because of that thing, the people they got angry by that.
You know, so many people they are going and suddenly they are like touched, so they start fighting. But
They start abusing. Why you did with me? No, you are wrong. They start abusing. Why you did with me? You can see everyone is still you and everyone is abusing. So it is good thing.
So they shoot you.
Bhavna.
Okay, so what you are saying, may you pardon it, our parents also abuse.
Yes.
Why?
Why? But why?
They listen. At first they abuse. After that you think that our parents are abusing, so we should also abuse. So that's why we abuse, and even many of the people, many of the students, they always keep on abusing in every sentence. You can say that if you are going to school, if you are coming at academy, if you are going anywhere, so at first you have to abuse.
It is not like this. Do you know? Suppose if you want to beat that person, so you can beat, but he will also get injury and you will also get injury. But suppose if you abuse that person or that like anyone, so at the time he would also like feel very good, and you will also feel
You are thinking that you feel very good, but that one person, opposite person, he will feel very bad because you are abusing them, and you are not abusing them. You are abusing their parents. You are abusing their system. Okay, and listen. At first, listen the concept that if someone is abusing you, of course you will also abuse that person.
Now you
after that, you will that one person they will beat you, and then you will beat. This is a matter of fight.
you know, try to understand. Suppose you are very weak person, okay, and you have a fight with very big and very great person, okay. So what will you do? Will you also start beating? Nothing will happen. Either he can beat you, but suppose if you abuse him and he also abuses you, so the fight can over and you will also not get the.
Oh my God, we should abuse. If they are saying something else, we should abuse it. You are that one guy. Your mother is that. Your parents are that. So that it will. This is a solve of the problem.
No, I think they don't abuse on their parents. They abuse like face to face to them.
What?
Why did you get? Suppose, listen. Suppose if I abuse you, so what will you do?
If someone is abusing, of course I will not abuse.
You will not abuse, and you will sit at your home and you will cry. And at night you would think that why didn't I beat him? And you will at night you won't be able to sleep. But suppose if you abuse that person, suppose if you abuse that person, so at the time you can feel free to sleep.
Okay,
I am abusing that person. If he is gonna.
First of all, I want to share something that that one theme is from the Mahatma Gandhi times. That if you slap me on a right, so you can slap also on a left. So So we are not like that, ma'am. Okay, so we should abuse. And I want to tell you something that abuse is a daily routine. That like we are eating some food, so abuse is also like a daily routine.
Abuse is not a
Without
daily
abuse,
routine, you have
we can't
made it.
live our life, and that's truth. Okay, and you want to say something, Sophia?
Okay, I wanna say that abuse is not a daily routine, but you have made it in your daily routine and in your daily part of routine. You know what? If you are waking up, so at first you will call your friend and then, oh, your mother is that, your father is that.
Why should I call my
This
friend?
is called abuse.
First of all, I will press it. Then I
Why should be abused? Tell me.
Why should we not abuse? For
Give me
reducing our
benefit.
anxiety. For reducing our anxiety, that's why we need abuse. Because in our anxiety, what we will do, we will think about and we will get depression, we will get a disease of heart attack, this kind of disease. So definitely we should abuse by which we can reduce our
Oh my
anxiety.
God! If you
Why
have
not?
disease of heart attack and everything, so at first you should abuse. You should not go to a doctor. You should not take any medicine. You should abuse. Oh my God! Wow! You must clap for him.
Listen, man. Abuse is like a medicine. Okay.
Yeah.
If I am abusing, so I am not getting as much anxiety on my body. You can say. If I am abusing, so I am just reducing my anxiety. That's why there is no case by which I can get diseases. If you are not abusing and you are in totally depression and you will think more and more and you will get definitely.
So
disease.
why are you gonna think? If someone is abusing
Why-
me, so
why
you
not?
you should
In
not
this
think about
generation,
that person.
everyone has
Let them
anxiety.
listen. If a dog is barking, so will you also bark with him? You will not bark. So please let it be. Let them bark. Let them say anything. But why are you abusing?
Don't abuse.
Okay,
You
Anushka.
should not abuse.
I'm not talking about abuse. I'm sorry. I'm giving the reply that if someone is abusing,
As you have talked about the mention, abusing is your mention. Why we have the doctors? Why do we have the doctors? Why do we have all the machines? We can use it. We can abuse and we can reduce all the anxiety and we can also have any disease.
Yeah.
So why do we have any disease if we don't
I
use
told
abusing
about
the
why the
medicine?
anxiety. Not I'm not talking about that if you have thyroid so you will abuse. I am not saying.
No, you are talking about heart problem.
Okay.
You have talked about so many things. Heart problem, so many things. Anxiety,
Yeah.
not only anxiety. You have also
Why
talked
it
about
comes because
Why?
of the depression.
Depression, you
And
are
for
reducing
reducing
depression.
depression we need abuse. That's
No,
why
we
are
need
abusing.
medicine, that not the abusing word. As you are abusing words, so it will hurt you more than the
Okay, ma'am. If someone is beating you, so what will you do? Will you beat?
Of course, I will beat.
So don't you
There is a
know?
reason.
Don't you know
There is
about IPC 307 by which you can get arrested?
So don't you know about the punishment? There is also punishment
But there is
about
no
the abusing words.
But there is
If
no
you use abusing
you
language,
will
there is
not
also
get as
punishment
long
for that.
prison. You will not get as long prison. If you get IPC 307, definitely you are gonna give your half life.
So why will I-
And
why-
you will have to
why
pay
will I
1
get-
lakh, 2 lakh rupees. You know very well that India is corrupted.
Don't you know about the punishment of that abusing language? There is also punishment. You will also have to pay the fine.
Listen, ma'am, you are talking
What?
about the punishment.
Punishment,
of abusing.
fine.
So
Yeah.
government is also abusing, police is also abusing. Then
Just because of that, just because of that, not that happening. You can see the example of Bihar.
Listen,
They have
listen.
that. You
If
have
you go-
seen that. They have abused the PM mother. They have just because of that they are fighting with
Listen,
each
listen.
other.
If-
Is that the solution of abusing words?
Listen,
By that
listen.
abusing, you can also
Okay, okay.
reduce your.
I agree, listen. Now you are fighting with your neighbor, okay, and you called police, and police will come. What police will say firstly? Definitely, police will abuse.
Why
It's a-
will he abuse?
it's
Why
a-
will he abuse? We
listen,
can
listen.
complain
It's
about
a-
him.
It's
If
a
he abusing.
tradition. It's a tradition.
You have made your mind. Not the tradition. If we had a
It's
rules,
a
if you know the
Indian
rules, if you know the rules, all that, you can complain about that person.
Shiv.
Police.
And right now, before 2 minutes, you were talking about the punishment on abusing.
Yeah.
The person who made the punishment, PM Modi, also abuses. He also abuses the citizens of
Do you
India.
have any proof about that person that he have abused? Why he have abused? There is a reason. Do you have proof? So just show me and then I will agree with
Do
you.
you have proof that you don't abuse?
I don't abuse. Do you have also abuse? I have a proof. No, I don't abuse. I am here. I can speak about that.
Right now,
Do
you
you
are
have
at academy. That's why you are not abusing.
You
When
can
you
see
go
me
outside the
outside
academy,
you can
then you will
also-
abuse your friends.
Why will I abuse? I don't have friends. I was
That's why you don't abuse, because you don't have friends.
So there's a reason behind that. And my mother, they haven't bring up like this. They haven't brought up me as like this. To
You live in
abuse
a Sultanpuri?
No, I don't live in Sultanpuri. I live in Ferrari.
I think you live in Dubai.
What about you? It doesn't mean that the environment. If you are talking about the environment,
No, you
you
don't.
have this mindset of about yourself. If you set your mindset that I am not to abuse, so you will not abuse.
How do you-
If your mindset that I will abuse, it's a good thing. So how will you reduce this thing?
How mindset comes to the environment, and if the
To the environment, how?
wait, let me speak because then I will not let you speak. So how environment comes to like how mindset comes to the environment, and if the environment is bad, so how will you get a good environment? If you live in Lahore in Pakistan, so how can you think that your country will be just like America?
As you are talking about the mindset and environment, you have an educated person. Just you don't have that in your mind. Don't use your mind. You
Every
use
human
your
has a
other
mind.
mind. That everyone is abusing. I will also abuse. They are doing everything, so I will also do. So will you do like them?
Yes. If Elon Musk is
Okay, Arushi.
Okay, so I think that abusing because of in today's generation every kid is abusing. Either it's a good situation or bad. So and as someone was talking about the frustration and also how can we reduce our frustration by there are many things by which we can reduce our frustration.
Tell anything.
Like there is a ball
Yes, yes.
by which we can.
I know how can we
Yes,
reduce the
God.
frustration while drinking and while falling down on the road. Apart from that, we can abuse in a room, we can abuse anyone whomever we want.
But is it good?
It is very good.
How? Tell me how.
If I got fight with anyone, I can directly abuse. And he will say, he will abuse me, I will abuse him. Metal sauce, go at your home, I will go at
Do you know Gen Zs are abusing even it is a happy thing or a good environment like just suppose here is a celebration, so in this they are gonna abuse.
Like how girls celebrate the Diwali at all. Wow. Like that, boys also celebrate the Diwali while abusing. It is your way to celebrate the Diwali, it is their way to celebrate the Diwali.
We are going on someone's mother and sister at all. Is it good?
Who made that
Is it
mistake? His mother and mother?
right way to, what?
Who made that mistake? His mother and father? So we will abuse them. Who is the owner of them?
Okay, Manvi.
Yeah, let me clear you that you are talking about the abusive ones. I think so that these are not good. These are not in a good manner. Means you say that it reduces the anger or it controls the anger. This is not a way. You can do meditation or squeeze the ball, which is of an exercise. This can even reduce your anxiety or your anger issues.
Someone is teasing you. He is abusing you. Will you do meditation on the road? Will you
I
stand
am
like
not
that
talking
on the
about
road?
that. I am talking about that. You are abusing with your friends. This is the habit of each Gen Z.
Yes.
So at that time they must do meditation because by which they can reduce these all kind of bad habits.
I think that if every Indian can do this, so every Indian can also be Elon Musk. That's why no one is educated in this country because they don't want to do hard work. They only want to abuse. They only want to waste their time on good things.
You want to say that environment is bad. Why environment is bad? Because
Because India is bad.
the people are abusing there. This is why.
How will you control the mouth of the people? Will you paste any kind of tape on their mouth?
We cannot do like this. Means the people are abusing when you are insulting me. So
Yes.
will I abuse you? Is it a good thing?
Yes, it is a good
When
thing because
people
they will abuse me. I will abuse you. You will go at your home. I will go at my home.
listen to me. When people abuse someone, then they feel very good. But when
Yes.
they get abused, then they feel very bad. This is what the area means, and this is not a good thing.
First of all, if you are abusing someone, then you must have guts to listen. Whatever he will say. If I am abusing him, then he will also have the guts to listen. If he is abusing, he is talking about me, then I can also talk about him.
This is not what the good thing is. You must listen. I am listen.
Okay, both of you have a set, and one by one you have to give your opinion, everyone. Okay? Let's start from Lakshita.
So in my perspective view that we should not abuse because like if we abuse so we are not reducing our anxiety, we are increasing it because people they think that I am like that, I cannot do everything and they just like blame themselves while abusing that I cannot do anything, I am that and
And in reality, they cannot do everything if they think like this for themselves. So.
Okay, so in my perspective, I really think that we should not abuse, and many of the students, they will also say that we should not abuse, but it's not a reality, because in every house, in every street, you will see that many of the students, many of the children, they are just abusing in every word. They are using this abuse words. So that's not great, and because of abuse words and this kind of thing, what is happening, the environment is becoming very bad according to us. So maybe we should not abuse. If someone is abusing you, so you should just ignore that person, that why are you abusing, and ignore that person, because if dogs are barking, so you will not bark with them. So let it be. Go at your home and just sleep and just be calm. Don't do this kind of thing, in my opinion. If you are abusing, so you will make yourself bad. But if somebody is abusing, so you should not listen. That you should think that if that person is like that, I should not be like that person. If it's not matter you are living in that area and you are living in that area. It's depend on yourself. How will you get yourself better? So in my perspective, we should not abuse. If opposite of person is abusing, so we should also not abuse. We should be calm at that time and we should be quiet. Premanand Maharaj ji, he also says that. And if you are in depression, so you can do many things, and there is a specific doctor of that. If you are in depression, so you can talk to that doctor. And like many of people, they abuse a community and mother and parents and sister and whatever in their mind they speak. It is not a good thing. So in my perspective, we should not abuse.
If we see spiritually, so it is not the right way, because in the Bhagavad Gita and in every holy book it has written. But if we see practically, so in our research, it was found that those who abuse, their life increases.
So in my opinion, we should not abuse. If who is standing in front of us, so they are abusing. So we must ignore them, and we must learn that we should not abuse. You can ignore it, and we should not abuse.
So in my view, we shouldn't abuse. That if you abuse, so that person will get hurt, or you will also get hurt. Words hurt more than the fighting too. So if you abuse, that person is going to hurt more than it. And it is not that way of speaking to, and you now that reducing your anxiety. And it's also so see that it's your well-being, that how you have brought up, how you are, and how you behave with others. So we should not abuse.
In my perspective, we should not abuse, because as you think, we are making our generation very bad, because of today's generation, the parents is speaking, and his son, after watching his parents, his son is also abusing. So in my point of view, the parents are making their generation bad, or someone said it about the point, the Sultanpuri is bad. Maybe Sultanpuri is good, the people are bad of Sultanpuri, because they abuse in every area and every streets.
Okay, in my opinion, like in my POV, what do you think? What is specific thing that we should not abuse, because there are many reasons. Like have an example of the religion, that even our religion do not allow us to abuse, but still they are abusing, and they are abusing to their mother and everything. Still you want to abuse? Just say pagal dog, like these kinds of things. But why are you abusing why are you going to his mother?
So, in my opinion, we should not abuse, because in friend circle we abuse their family, their sister, their mother. But I wanna ask only one question: what is the fault of his mother, his sister, and behind it we are abusing? And we say that his mother is my mother, but behind it we are abusing his mother, his sister. So I don't think it is wrong. I think it is wrong.
In my point of view, we should abuse, because if means we can't show ourselves weaker, we should show ourselves stronger. Means when I went to my school, means I changed my school, so I went to my school that I was not abusing if someone was abusing me. But nowadays, if someone abused me, if he abused me to So I abuse him for showing myself stronger.
In my perspective, we must abuse because of anyone abuse you, so you take tension. So medicine is not made for tension, so we will have to abuse. So you will have to abuse, so you will reduce your tension and calm. That's it.
So in my vision, we should abuse sometimes, like in a friend circle, we should crack some jokes by which we can reduce our anxiety. And if at all the in serious condition, so we should not abuse at that time, because we have right that we can case anyone, okay, at that time, because we have a dial number 112, like by which we can call. Okay, so don't abuse at that time. Just give it on government.
In my opinion, we should abuse, because if you are in depression, so you can reduce your depression by abusing. Like you can abuse in room, like if anybody abuse you, so you should also, because by which you can solve your fights.
In my view, we must abuse because even the teacher should also abuse, because there are so many students they don't follow the rules of teacher. So if if anyone is abusing, so at the time they are gonna listen it carefully, and they will also not do that thing again. Just like if they are fighting, so they can just normally abuse and over the fight. But if they fight at the time, they are gonna get so many injuries, and they both can be in jail also. That's it.
In my perspective, we should abuse, and this team is saying many people are abusing. That's why we should abuse, and here is no country and state who don't abuse.
So in my point of view, we should abuse, because if a guy has their anger issue, so we can control our anger issue while abusing. And in previous time, no one used to abuse, because their environment was not like that. But in this generation, if you don't abuse, so they will think that you are foolish, you are just a rubbish guy, and they will just think that you are a loser. But if you abuse, so they will not think.
In my perspective, we should abuse just because today's generation, it is not a Kaliyug, it is not a Gandhi Yug and Satyug, it is a Kaliyug. Obviously, we should abuse. First thing, you don't know how to abuse and how to fight. Everyone can take advantage with you easily. So, abuse is not mean you should abuse like your father, mother, sister. You can abuse her behavior and mentality, sense of humor also.
So in my perspective, we should abuse, because there is nothing like that. As we know, there is a limit of doing everything. The thing is that if you abuse more than enough, so you must know that where to abuse, whom to be abused. The thing is that you must know the place of abusing and time. That's it.
Okay, in my book, we should abuse because it's a traditional emotion. Like front of the person, they start abusing you, because that time you are not feeling that you are not doing any meditation at alone below. That time you start abusing it. That time you save yourself, not other self. That time you are abusing her, not father and mother. You have saved yourself, because that time you are represent you are weak. You are blah blah blah. That time you save yourself, not any kind of thing. That's it.
So in my perspective, we should not abuse, because in abusing, what we say, we just talk about mother and sister, so it's not good. When it comes to self-respect, so we must abuse, because if a person on and on, he's abusing you. So if you sit at your home calmly, if you are eating food and be just quiet, so at the other person, but he will think that you are loser, you can't do anything. He will think like it. And when it comes to self-respect, there you must abuse, because if a person is saying you something about your mother, sister and yourself, so you should not be calm. You also show that who are you. That's the thing you must abuse.
So I think we must abuse, because influencers, big influencers, celebrities, government workers, even government abuses. So we are the common citizens of India, so we also must abuse. We should learn from our elders, and we should learn from who are greater than us.
What do I think? I believe that we should never abuse. People think that they are so cool while abusing, but I do not think so. How will you become? You think that we have become so good, so powerful, but that person who is in front of you will become so bad in his eye, and you will become bad for yourself. People say that it's good thing. There are so many good things. Why don't you learn them? Why do you learn only these things? So I think we should never abuse.
In my book, I think so that we must not abuse, because if the person is insulting you, then why are you going over the parents or the community in the society where they are living? You are talking about the environment. The environment is bad. They are learning how to abuse. If the environment is bad, then you have to make it good. If you don't abuse, then people will also learn from you. Like if the elder is abusing, then you are learning from him that we must also abuse. If you are not abusing, then the person will also learn that we must not abuse.